Dear scholars, myself Jose Yadav, lecture Commerce, Haryana Education Services. Now again here to discuss income and expenditure account and its features, difference between income and expenditure account and receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and profit and loss account, and balance sheet of not for profit organization. So first we come to income and expenditure account. As we know, income and expenditure account is the summary of all items of income and expenditure account related to current year, and it is formulated for the purpose of ascertaining the surplus or deficit arising from the current income and current expenses. Income and expenditure account is a nominal account. It is prepared on the basis of accrual system of accounting. Characteristics of income and expenditure account: it is a nominal account, ये नाममात्र खाता है, and it is followed by debit all expenses, losses, credit all income and gains. This account considers only revenue nature of items and ignores capital receipts and capital expenditures. It also ignores opening and closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. It is prepared on the basis of accrual system of accounting. It taken into consideration of those amount which belongs to current year only. We should notice that the income and expenditure account prepared on the basis of accrual system. So it considers only the amount which is belong to current year. It considers all non-cash items like outstanding prepaid expenses, accrued income and depreciation. Now, difference between income and expenditure account and receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is a real account and income and expenditure account is a nominal account. So, receipt and payment account is like a cash book and income and expenditure account is like a profit and loss account. Receipt and payment account, it considers debit side receipts and credit side payment. Income and expenditure side, debit side, we show expenditures and credit side incomes. Always receipt and payment account followed by debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and income and expenditure account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. It is followed by this rule. Closing balance of receipt and payment shows closing cash in hand at cash at bank or sometimes bank overdraft. Income and expenditure account shows either surplus or deficit. Receipt and payment account records all type of receipts as well as expenditures, whether it is of capital nature or revenue nature or they belongs to current year, previous year or next year. But income and expenditure account records only revenue nature items which belongs to current year only. So receipt and payment account prepared on the basis of cash and income and expenditure account prepared on accrual basis. Balance sheet, it is not necessary in case of receipt and payment account that it is to be accompanied by the balance sheet, but balance sheet must accompany income and expenditure account necessarily. Receipt and payment account prepared by NPOs and income and expenditure account prepared by business concerns. Difference between income and expenditure account and profit and loss account. So, very main objective to prepare income and expenditure account is to determine surplus or deficit in an accounting year, and the main objective to prepare profit and loss account is to determine net profit or net loss. Income and expenditure account always prepared by non-profit seeking organization, and profit and loss account prepared by business concerns. Basis of account preparation: receipt and payment account and other adjustment related to periodic information given, and profit and loss account prepared on the basis of trial balance and other adjustment based on periodic information given. Balance, income and expenditure account, closing balance always shows either surplus or deficit, and profit and loss, closing balance shows net profit or net loss. The balance sheet of a non-profit seeking organizations. The balance sheet of a non-profit organization is prepared on the same way as in the case of commercial enterprise. The organization's assets are written to the right and liabilities to the left. Assets in the excess of liabilities are का capital fund. इसको हम जनरल फंड भी बोल सकते हैं. थैंक यू.